So one way I cut down on added sugar is combining foods with their natural sugar content instead of adding sugar to it. So I made French crepes, and I can have it with walnuts, 200 grams walnuts ground, and put sugar in it, or I can very simply add jam. In this particular raspberry jam, there are 10 grams of sugar out of 50 calories. There we go, 50 calories, yeah. 10 grams of sugar is 4 calories each. 40 calories out of 50. A lot of sugar in it, but that's how jams work. So what I do, very simple. Right here, have a look, see. French crepes, that's the last one, so don't look at that one. And we've got a spoon that's sank in there. Okay, let's take out some walnut, like so. Normally, when I grind walnut up like this, I add sugar to separate, because otherwise it kind of tends to stick together, and the granulated sugar keeps the components, the little crumbles, separated. So sugar is convenient, but I don't want it, I don't like it. Added sugar, that is. I try to minimize it. And this is how this is gonna look like. Okay, so walnut and raspberry jam, like so. Raspberry jam is tart, and it works wonderfully well here. Just like so, roll it up. There you have it. Good to go for eating. Close enough to a la mama, or whatever you like. The good stuff.